Alright, so I've come up with the conclusion that it's way too nice outside to be indoors. 37.5 miles to walk, 13 hours, 1 minute to go here. Let's get going. Let's walk to the American Legion in Rosemont, Minnesota. We're on our way. I gotta have Caribou coffee, so that's where I'm heading right now. I'm getting looks with all this selfie stick stuff, walking through the parking lot. New selfie stick. There it is. Alright, here we are. Back on the road. Let's hope there's not too much traffic, huh? Wish me luck. Alright, sorry about the wind. We've made it to Inver Grove Heights. It's an interesting trip so far. Such a nice day, though. I definitely am going to start walking to more wrestling shows. This is pretty nice here. As long as I don't get hit by a car or a motorcycle. Almost there. Make a great time. I think I'm close. It should be in this area somewhere. I think this is it. I think we finally made it. The 37 or so miles. No big deal. I'll probably just win a match. And maybe I'll jog back. But had a few of these. Not sponsored by Coca-Cola, but I drink Coke Zero. Got Diet Coke too. Got one on one of the sides here. And yeah, there it is. We have arrived. Well, I can't say the champ is here, but 6% body fat Rob James is about to enter the building. Let's find out. Let's find out where everybody's at and where we need to go. It's a nice walk, great day for a walk. Let's see what these people say about my selfie stick. Is there pro wrestling here tonight?
Yep.
We're right in here? Oh, there's the ring. I see it.
There's the
There we go.
Are you a wrestler?
I am.
Wait till it gets in the ring.
Wrestling entrance. Oh god, it's dark.
Oh, Jesus.
It's alright. Nice walk here. I walked here from Coon Rapids.
Well, I'm glad you came. Thank you so much.
How's it going, gentlemen?
Got the T-Rex arm going on.
Yeah, I know. Looks like I'm not the only one that's a fan of Clerks 2. Bringing back the Porch Monkeys.
Doing 50-50s on that.
Get your money when you walk in the door. I used to work here. I don't know if you ever heard of this promoter. He was down
Porch Monkeys.
in the Illinois area. Big.
Still got the sign, huh?
Her Zumba pants just cracked me up because I grew up with those.
Did you?
Yeah. I'm Christy. I'm Jim's
Hi,
sister.
I'm Rob.
Nice to meet you. Oh, what do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome. There you go. All right. So it's your first time here. What made you come? Your mom made you? Okay. Well, that's a good mother. So do you like wrestling at all? What do you like about wrestling?
I like to see people go out of the ring.
Go out of the ring? Do you like to see people hit sprinklers? That could happen tonight. Somebody could hit a sprinkler. That's awfully close. So your mom forced you to come. You still gonna have fun? Have you ever watched wrestling before in your life? Who is your
WWE. John Cena.
How did I know that answer? Well, then I have to do this. You can't see me. Yeah, that's all I have to do, and you like it, huh? What about you, huh? You been to a show before? What brought you here? Let me guess, your mom. All right. So how come this is your guys' first time? I've seen her at shows before. You don't? No, not for free. I'm sorry. I sell the pictures for $5, the headbands for $3. What, did you spend all your allowance already?
No.
No? That's for free. But nobody will sign that though. That's just so you can watch the videos, so you can see yourself on YouTube. You ever been on YouTube before? You're gonna be on YouTube right now. I'm gonna put you on, alright? You better enjoy the show. Oh yeah, plug that. There you go. You're a fan. Alrighty. There you go. They came back for more. They couldn't get enough of Rob James. That's alright, you're already on YouTube. I don't know why you're hiding your face. I've already got you on YouTube. Here, check it out. Here's a card. You can check yourself out on YouTube.
Yeah.
These are my biggest. I got that too. Yeah, biggest fans right here. They came back. They couldn't get enough of Rob James.
Oh, I've been all the way up to Coon Rapids.
What's that?
Went all the way up to Coon Rapids.
Okay, were you just at the last Coon Rapids show? Okay. Were you at the last Coon Rapids show? When I won the title back?
No, probably not. No.
That was this last week.
Blaine, I get the Blaine player.
Ham Lake?
Yeah, Blaine, same difference.
You take more than one, it's 50 cents.
I took one. I'm a thief.
I got you on camera too, so I mean it's fine.
Way to the ring, weighing in at 6% body fat from Cockeysville, Maryland. He is 6% OJ!
Only smart one here. Only smart one here. What I want right now is for all you fat,
Ugly.
out of shape,
Ugly. Your mama.
Rosemont rhinos to sit there and shut up and give me the respect I deserve. I want you to shut your mouth is what I want.
Hey, can we see that on YouTube?
You see, all you people sit out there and eat your carbs and your lipids, and you wish you could be like me. Let me explain what a lipid is to you folks. Look down at your belly. It's filled with lipids. It's fat. You're looking at the best looking wrestler you're gonna see all night. And you know what? I'm just gonna leave. Forget you guys. I'm just leaving. Thank you. They don't get to see me wrestle tonight.
And his
What did you
opponent
just call me?
from Dallas, Texas, weighing in at 265 pounds, he is the Black